So yeah, this little worm care bin has been working quite well for me. Haven't fished very much at all this winter, so that means they've had that whole winter to germinate, and I'm seeing eggs, I'm seeing little baby worms. That's a good sign. But one of the maintenance things you have to do with this bin is every now and again, you have to clean out the very bottom tub. It will get pretty nasty in there. Sometimes the worms will get down in there and they're supposed to be able to crawl back up in that little ramp, but a lot of times they don't. They just get into one of those little corners and stay until they die. Usually about once a month, I'll have to clean out this tub. Also, second, the little lip where the water fluid gathers, that can get very rank as well. So you need to rescue those few worms that are down in the corners, put them back in the bin, rinse that whole tub out, and preferably, like once a month, maybe sanitize it with some Clorox water or something. But don't leave any Clorox into the bottom of the tub, because the worms will eventually, some of them will find their way back down there. But keep that bottom tub clean. And this worm bin will continue to produce and produce and produce.